chake fuamda moko juma manyien wachaka yud manyien kwa dhi nyime muguka kod miraa koro dwaro jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo odonjie weche mokwako kumo kod uso mar mwanduno kadho adhnam chumbi. E ote margi mane osom gi gavana ma Embu Cecily Mbarire, gidwaro ni mondo jogo mane omaki kotenore gi uso mar muguka mondo we thuolo mapiyo. Jaod burano Mambere North Godfrey Ruku bende owacho ni onge nonro moro amora mar sayans mowacho ni miraa ni kod rach moro amora. Giseyo gavana ma Mombasa kuom remo winjo ng'eto mar doho.
The illegal and exploitative charges against muguka amount to economic sabotage as other cash crops are treated differently for need to be withdrawn. The application of different standards in terms of taxation, levies, and handling of miraa from other crops sets apart precedent, as other counties may capriciously and whimsically create their own laws and not in conformity with the Constitution of Kenya and the national laws. So while appreciating the efforts and intervention of the President in addressing this matter, and noting that some of the stakeholders, namely the coastal region leadership, failed to attend this meeting, and in view of the immense socio-economic impact of the illegal ban to the affected communities and the populace in the value chain, we respectfully request His Excellency the President to further intervene to resolve this